Are you looking for the best telescopes for astrophotography? In this video we will look at some of the best telescopes for astrophotography the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Skywatcher SkyMax Maxitov Cassegrain Reflector Telescope. Doesn't come with a mount. The Skywatcher SkyMax Reflector Telescope is a compound telescope that offers a long focal length and a relatively compact design. It weighs 17 pounds, and you get excellent, clear views of the moon, planets, and bright deep sky objects. A 1.25-inch adapter comes with the telescope, so you can directly attach a DSLR camera and get snapping once you've located the desired object. The f/15 focal ratio does mean it's considered a slow telescope, so taking deep sky shots is a little harder. However, as long as those objects are bright, this telescope can capture the images. Keep in mind that this model doesn't come with a mount. You'll have to purchase one separately. Depending on the type you choose, they can be pricey. Number 2. Explore Scientific ED-127 Triplet Refractor Telescope. Does not include mount. Cannot be used with a focal reducer. The Explore Scientific ED-127 Triplet Refractor Telescope is a versatile telescope that can take, with the right accessories, photos of galaxies and other deep sky objects. Even in poor light conditions, the ED-127 can capture impressive images. It comes with a 1.25-inch eyepiece adapter that fits some astrophotography cameras, but you may need a T adapter for certain DSLR cameras. This model also gets points for portability thanks to the handle on the tube rings. The handle makes it easy to mount despite its power and weight. However, this model doesn't come with a mount, so you'll have to purchase one separately, adding several $100s to the already splurge-wise cost. Additionally, this model cannot be used with a focal reducer, limiting its use in certain types of astrophotography. Number 3. Skywatcher EvoStar 80 APO Doublet Refractor. Not a good choice for beginners. Expensive. Includes only the tube with a few accessories. The Skywatcher EvoStar 80 APO Doublet Refractor offers an impressive array of optics that create vivid detail and image quality. However, attaining that quality may require the purchase of a few extra accessories. Consequently, this isn't a model for beginners. However, for advanced beginners, intermediate, and even some advanced astrophotographers, the EvoStar 80 provides the quality and ability to travel with the telescope. At only 7.3 pounds, you can take it to the local mountaintop for a broader range of spectacular views as you escape light pollution. The optical specs, including a 1.45 dawes limit, 1.75 Rayleigh limit, and 12 limiting magnitude, squeeze every last ounce of optical quality, especially in a tube this size. If you know what you're doing and you're serious enough in astrophotography to know the difference between good and great optical quality, this is a portable telescope that will not disappoint. Number 4. Celestron 114 LCM Computerized Newtonian Telescope. Cannot take deep sky images. The Celestron 114 LCM Computerized Newtonian Telescope not only lets beginners start taking photographs right away but also introduces them to the night sky. The included mount even has a Sky Tour button that takes users on a guided journey through the heavens. While it doesn't have the optics to do deep sky astrophotography, you can connect a webcam, astrophotography camera, or mobile phone to start taking photos. You don't have to be an expert to assemble the telescope and get started right away, which is key for beginners. This model is also relatively lightweight and portable. Computerized Automatic Telescope. The Celestron 114 LCM Computerized Newtonian Telescope with all-glass optics can automatically locate 4,000 celestial objects with its computerized go-to-mount. Take the Sky Tour. If you're not sure of what to observe, the Sky Tour button will do the work for you. Simply press the button and your computerized telescope will generate a list of the best objects currently available to view in the sky. Everything you need. The Celestron LCM telescope comes with everything you need for stargazing, including a full-height tripod, 2 high-quality eyepieces, 25mm and 9mm, and a starpointer red dot finder scope. Computerized Automatic Telescope. The Celestron 114 LCM Computerized Newtonian Telescope with all-glass optics can automatically locate 4,000 celestial objects with its computerized go-to-mount. Take the Sky Tour. If you're not sure of what to observe, the Sky Tour button will do the work for you. Simply press the button and your computerized telescope will generate a list of the best objects currently available to view in the sky. Everything you need. The Celestron LCM telescope comes with everything you need for stargazing, including a full-height tripod, 2 high-quality eyepieces, 25mm and 9mm, and a star pointer red dot finder scope. Bonus free Starry Night software. This Celestron 114 LCM computerized telescope includes a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. Simulate the night sky from any location on Earth or plan your next observing session. Unbeatable warranty and support. Buy with confidence from Celestron, a leading telescope brand in California since 1960. Your purchase includes a 2-year U.S. warranty and unlimited support from our team of U.S.-based experts. Number 5. Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ-MD Newtonian Telescope. Mount can be difficult to adjust. Parts feel cheap. It's harder but not impossible to find a telescope under $500 for astrophotography, and the Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ-MD Newtonian Telescope is one of the best below that price point. While the quality of the build and accessories can sometimes reflect the low price, users get excellent views of the moon and planets. That's also where this telescope shines when it comes to astrophotography, closer objects. A red dot finder, which shines a red dot on the lens, helps users hone in on their target, too. You can use this telescope for viewing deep sky objects, but your chances of getting a good photo at those longer distances aren't great with this model. However, this value pick is perfect if you're just getting started. Powerful reflector telescope. The Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ-MD telescope is a powerful reflector telescope for astronomy beginners. It features fully coated glass optics, a sturdy and lightweight frame, 2 eyepieces, a star pointer red dot finder scope and an adjustable tripod. High-quality 130mm optics. The heart of the system is a 130mm glass optic objective lens. The Astromaster mount features 2 slow-motion control knobs that allow you to make precision adjustments. Quick setup and lightweight frame. This telescope for kids and adults to be used together features a lightweight frame manual German equatorial mount for smooth and accurate pointing. Setup is quick and easy, with no tools required for assembly. Included accessories, we've included 2 eyepieces, 20mm and 10mm, a travel tripod, motor drive, and a star pointer red dot finder scope. Accessories also include a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. Unbeatable customer support. Buy with confidence from the world's telescope brand, based in California since 1960. You'll also receive unlimited access to technical support from our team of US-based experts. Light gathering power, compared to human eye, 345x.